In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the Opacity tool in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. This tool is an incredibly useful feature when you're looking to adjust the transparency of images in your presentation, allowing for creative layering and smooth design elements. Whether you're trying to make text more readable over an image or just want to achieve a subtle visual effect, utilizing the Opacity function can be a game changer. So, let's get started from the beginning and find that elusive tool together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a straightforward step, but crucial to accessing the tool we're interested in today. Once you've found it in the search results, click the link to open PowerPoint. Next, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly. This will give you access to your existing presentations and allow you to create new ones. It's always a good habit to ensure your Microsoft account is updated, both for security and for user convenience. After successfully logging in, navigate through the options and select PowerPoint. This will open up the main platform, and from here, you are ready to work on your presentation. Now it's crucial to have the image that you want to work on readily available, or you can insert a new one that you wish to adjust. Once you've selected or inserted the image you want to modify, pay attention to the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. When your image is selected, a new tab called Picture Format pops up. This tab hosts a variety of tools specifically designed for image editing. Click on this Picture Format tab to reveal more options. With the picture format tools visible, you should see a button labeled Transparency, along with some preset transparency options. Clicking on Transparency will open a small drop-down menu with various preset levels. These are great for quick adjustments, but if you're looking for more precise control, here's what to do. Select the option labeled Picture Transparency Options. This will open the Format Picture pane on the side. Inside the Format Picture pane, you'll find more detailed options. Look for a slider labeled Transparency. This slider allows you to adjust the opacity until you achieve the perfect look. Slide left for less transparency or right for more. If you prefer to be precise, you can enter a specific percentage in the provided box. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to finding and utilizing the Opacity tool in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. With these steps, you can now adjust image transparency effortlessly, adding depth and vibrancy to your presentations. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with different settings to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.